In today's video, I will teach you the best VWAP indicator trading strategy, which is considered to be the best buy-sell indicator strategy by many professional traders. I will show you what indicators we will be using, as well as what settings we will modify. Then I will show you how to trade long, and how to trade short as well, and by the end of this video, I will show you realistic results you can expect from this scalping trading strategy by backtesting it 100 times. So stay tuned, and let's get straight into the video. So, we are currently looking at a 5-minute chart of Ethereum, which we will be using for the entirety of this video. First, we need to open our Indicators tab, because for this trading strategy, we will be using 3 indicators. The first indicator we will be using is called Volume Weighted Average Price, or VWAP for short. This entire trading strategy revolves around this indicator, so make sure you select the right one, which is this very first technical indicator. The second indicator we want to add to our chart is called Turtle Trade Channels Indicator. We will be using this one by Kvanch Ozbiljic, so left-click it once. Our third and final indicator is called WADA Adder Explosion version 2. Make sure to left-click this one by Cheyenne KM. Now, when we leave our Indicators tab, we can see that our chart looks very chaotic. Don't worry though, because right now, we will disable all unnecessary settings, and I will show you how to make your chart look like this. So, let's modify our indicators. Our VWAP indicator creates these 2 green lines, which indicate the range of this market. For this indicator, we don't want to modify any settings, because for this trading strategy this indicator works the best with default settings. But in case you want to modify this indicator, for whatever reason, I will show you how to open them. You open this indicator settings by double-clicking either one of these green lines, so either this top one or this bottom one. Here you can modify whichever setting you want to, but like I said, we won't do any of that for this particular indicator. Now, let's modify our second indicator we added to our chart, which is our Turtle Trade Channels indicator. This indicator adds these long and short entry signals, as well as these long and short exit signals. To open this indicator settings, double-click any long or short signal, which could be either entry signal or exit signal. So, let's start by modifying our Inputs tab first. In here, we only want to change one value, which is this entry length value, from 20 to 12. Now, let's move on to our Style tab. In Style tab, we want to disable everything, except this long setting and this short setting. By doing so, we will get rid of all unnecessary lines and areas that would make reading of our chart much harder if left enabled. So once again, disable everything from upper, way down to this red colored background setting, with the exception of long and short setting. Once you're finished, press OK, and we are done with this indicator. Let's change our third and final indicator, which is this WADA Adder histogram at the bottom of our screen. Once again, double-click any candle in this indicator, and you will open its settings. Now, open Style tab, and in here, we want to disable this dead zone line. Also, let's change explosion line color setting to cyan and make sure its opacity is set to 100% as well. This is an optional setting, so you don't really have to follow this step, but doing this will make reading this indicator much simpler, so I highly recommend following this optional step as well. Press OK, and we are finished with modifying our indicators, as well as our indicator setup. Now, let me show you how this trading scalping strategy works in action, starting off with long position. If we want to enter a long position and make profit, we need all 3 of our indicators to confirm our bullish prediction. So, to make things easier, I've come up with this very simple 4-rule strategy that will tell us exactly when to enter this trade. So, let's go over our rules. Rule number 1, long entry signal. This signal is probably the first thing you will notice while trading with this strategy, so I decided to put it as our first rule, since it is the most obvious bullish signal of them all. Just a minute ago, we disabled a bunch of settings for our Turtle Trade Channels indicator, which adds these buy and sell signals, and bunch of other lines and areas as well. Now you can probably see why we did that. If we had a bunch of other unnecessary lines and areas in this chart, we would have probably still noticed these long and short entry signals, but it would make reading this chart very complicated. Rule number 2, price action must be positioned below VWAP bands. Like I mentioned previously, these 2 lines indicate the range of this market. If the price is above these bands, then we are in an overbought area, and so if the price is below these 2 lines, we are located in oversold area. We want to enter trades only when the price action is positioned below these VWAP lines, because this means that the asset has traded lower in price and has the potential for a price bounce. Rule number 3, dark green candle and WADA Adder Explosion indicator. This is yet another confirmation that there are more people buying than actually selling. When the candle is dark green, we know that a lot of people are buying in this market, and that they are also buying in larger quantities. Our fourth and final rule is that this dark green candle must be above this explosion line, which is this cyan line. This is basically an addition to our third rule, which says that the candle must be dark green, and our fourth rule adds another condition to this indicator, saying that while it must be dark green, it also must be above this explosion line. Great, now with our 4-rule trading strategy set, let's test this strategy on a real-time trading example. For this strategy to work flawlessly, we need to follow our long position trading strategy word for word, and we will be profitable. So, let's begin. Rule number 1, long entry signal. The first bullish signal for this strategy, which is also the easiest one to spot on our chart. This condition is met, and so is our second rule, which says that the price action must be below VWAP bands. The area below the bands is also known as oversold area, meaning that the asset is being traded for lower than what it is actually worth, and has a huge potential for price bounce. These are our 2 rules we can find on our trading chart. Now let's check our WADA adder explosion indicator for our third and fourth rule. Our third rule says that the candle in our WADA adder explosion indicator must be dark green colored. It is, and it is also above this explosion line, which is our fourth and final rule. All 4 conditions are met, and we can confidently enter a long position. Our stop loss will be placed at recent swing low, and our take profit will be set to 2 times the risk to reward ratio. Now that everything is set, let's see if we were correct on this trade. Success! Our prediction was correct, and we made a profitable long trade. If you still fail to understand this trading strategy for long position, I highly recommend rewatching this part of the video, because right now, we will move on to short trade, and what 4 rules we will be using while trading short. For our short strategy, we will follow a 4-rule blueprint as well, but this time, all 4 of our rules must confirm a bearish direction of market. So if you are paying attention up until now, then you will understand these rules pretty easily. Rule number 1, short entry signal. In our long position strategy, we were searching for long entry signal, but since we are now explaining a short trade, we will search for the exact opposite, which is a short entry signal. This rule, as well as all other rules, are basically long position rules, but reversed. Rule number 2, price action above VWAP bands. Once again, this is another reverse rule. While we were checking if the price action was below these VWAP lines in long trade, we are checking if the price action is above these bands in short trade. The area above these lines signals that the asset is overbought, so the price is much higher than it should be, so we are betting that the price will return to a value which is in between these lines, or if we're lucky, below them. Now, let's check our WADA adder explosion histogram for our third and fourth rule. Rule number 3, red candle and WADA adder explosion indicator. This is yet another confirmation that there are more people selling than actually buying. Our fourth and final rule is that the red colored candle is also above this explosion line. Yet another reverse rule, which is also sort of like an addition to our third rule. Great, we set all 4 rules for our short strategy as well, so let's test this short strategy on a real-time trading example. Once again, we will follow the rules we set for our short trade. First, we wait for a short entry signal. As you can see, this condition is met, so let's move on to our second rule. Our second rule is that price action must be above this VWAP bands. It is, signaling that the price is higher than it should be, giving us yet another bearish market signal. Now, let's check our WADA adder explosion indicator for our third and fourth rule. Our third rule says that the candle must be red colored. It is colored red, and it is also above our explosion line, which is our fourth and final rule in this short trade strategy. With all 4 conditions met, all of which are signaling a bearish market, we can confidently enter a short trade. We will set our stop loss to recent swing high, and we will set our take profit to 2 times the risk to reward ratio. Now that everything is set, let's see if we were correct on this short trade. Our prediction was once again correct, and we executed a successful short trade. Before you leave and try this strategy on your own, let me backtest this strategy 100 times and show you what results you can expect to achieve. The importance of backtesting is something I cannot emphasize enough, and I believe every trader should do it, because this is something that will put you into 1% of traders. You can record all the data by using Google Spreadsheet, or you can use a better route and use TraderEdge instead. TraderEdge is literally the best backtester on the internet. Thousands of traders around the world are using TraderEdge to get an edge on their competition. TraderEdge is 3 times faster than a traditional backtesting method. All you need to do is set your initial account size and a profit and loss per trade. TraderEdge will give you all the info you need about this strategy, such as the win ratio, the profit and loss, the maximum drawdown, and much more. Once you're finished with backtesting, you can save the results to the strategy library. Besides that quick and easy backtester, they've also got some other useful features on their website, such as the position calculator, which can be very handy for those who trade Forex and commodities, the profit and loss calendar, where you can track your trading performance and make some important notes, and the indicators and strategies menu. Here you can find and download some super accurate tools for MT4 and TradingView platforms, and they've all been proven to work. If you're not entirely sure how to backtest, no worries, you will get a full step-by-step backtesting plan which has $100 value. If you're not sure how to build a profitable trading strategy, no problem, you will also get a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy which has $270 value. And if you sign up right now, they'll also include 4 pre-made high-quality strategies that have $100 value. So that's around $500 worth of bonuses, all for free, but only if you sign up right now. TraderEdge has a 7-day free trial, so there is absolutely no risk at all. So go ahead and check it out. I will leave a link in the description below. Now, let's see what results you can expect by trading with this strategy. After 100 trades, I can finally show you what results you can expect from this VWAP strategy. Out of all 100 trades, this trading strategy was profitable 76 times, meaning we got a 76% win rate strategy. With our initial account size set to $1,000, we grew our account by 1,113%, which is about $11,132. Our profit factor is 6.33, and TraderEdge gives our strategy score of 96 out of 100, meaning that this strategy works exceptionally well. Now let's put this strategy on our list of profitable trading strategies. This is the first strategy with 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, so we cannot compare it with similar strategies just yet. What we can do is compare it to this holy grail strategy, which was backtested in the same time period, and we can see that our strategy has a bigger growth despite having a lower win rate percentage, which is possible because of our higher risk to reward ratio. As we add more strategies to this list, we will compare them and we will eventually find the best trading strategy there is. So if you want to be a part of this journey, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.